Thank you, ma'am, for enriching, enhancing, and enlightening us with your valuable inputs. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are moving ahead for the moment which you are much awaiting. Yes, as we all know, graduation day represents the culmination of years of pursuance and academic endeavor. Graduation is only a concept. In real life, every day you graduate. If you can grasp that, you'll make the difference. For some, it is a pinnacle. For many, it's a landmark. For most, it's a milestone, a prominent milestone on the road to further accomplishments. To inspire us and to confer the degree to the toppers of the batch 2018, I would now request Mrs. Tejdeep Kaur Meenan ma'am, please come and hand over the degree. I request Zarar sir to accompany. I request Gagan Naran sir to accompany ma'am. Now I am going to read out the names of the students who are the toppers of the batch. Okay. Let me call the names. J. Navina, the most outstanding student in marketing specialization. Second one, Sneha Tripathi. She is the only student who has secured second rank in IMA. Ladies and gentlemen, give them a round of applause. Securing second rank is Suri Shetty Shreya, topper in finance.
There is nothing like woman role, a female role or a male role. But there is nothing like a woman winning.
Students, please accompany me.
Very good day, ladies and gentlemen, Professor Zarar sir, Ritu ma'am, Professor Jitendra Govindani, and the esteemed dignitaries. For all those who still don't know my name, I am Jane Navina. I stand before you all today as 2020 valedictorian, and believe me, it's my immense pleasure. I would be lying if I say I wasn't expecting this. Nonetheless, I need to admit the truth. My heart is now racing, my adrenaline is pumping, and I feel euphoric to stand before you and to deliver a speech. Before I commence my speech, I would first like to thank my family, my academic adjudicators, and my friends. Without any of you, I would not be here where I'm standing today. Thank you, because if it wasn't your help, I wouldn't have been given this chance to represent the class 2020 with a speech. And I plan to take full advantage of it. To ensure clear communication with social media generation, allow me to use hashtags and to begin hashtag Convocation 2020. And for most of us, the first year of PG was more like a puzzle. Most of us were anxious, nervous, scared, and questions like, how am I going to fit in this field, filled our heads. But finally, here we are, working and now waiting to collect the degree. Just think how far we have come individually and as a class. This class of 2020 has undoubtedly been one of the most outstanding classes in the ICBM history. At least we believe that. Okay, friends, now at the end of our careers as students, we have an opportunity. Now is our time to take on the world and to find and pursue our passions. To quote and unquote, leave a legacy. Leave a legacy and achieve greatness. That's more than just money and recognition. It's to leave that's with whom you cross paths with a little more happiness and hope. We would not have been here today had it not been for the timeless efforts and dedication of all those who made this day possible. To our Professor Jitendra Govindani, whom we call the Tiger of ICBM, thank you for teaching not just academics, but life skills and preparing us to face the real corporate world. And might I take a note, you always come forward when we needed that little push to take the next better step in life. And you will forever be our inspiration. And hats off to your spreading energy and love towards students. To Professor Zarar sir and Ritu ma'am, we are greatly thankful for the offered comfort to reach out to you and the freedom to express student issues anytime. And thank you for the quick solutions. To the faculty and ICBM family who regularly offered full support for us students. Thank you for teaching us how to be resourceful. And to conclude, remember friends, we are all destined for greatness. Believe that we have the full potential to make a massive footprint on this earth. Although we may all never be in the same room at the same time again, I am sure we always share the memories that we created within the college walls. And congratulations, postgraduates, we did it. Hashtag excited. From my bottom of my heart, I once again thank ICBM family and I wish each one of us good luck. And I'm sure you will forgive me if I made any mistakes delivering this speech. Thank you. Have a good day.
Now I request Neha Tripathi to come and share a few lines.
Dear dignitaries, esteemed professors, and my dear friends. It's actually hard to put up this feeling here, this dais, but yeah, it's like a nostalgia to me. And nevertheless, I'm glad that I could deliver this on this great, grand occasion of our convocation. And it's a huge, huge honor for me to receive this award. Yeah, so first of all, I would like to say that we all are winners for today. And it's not like me who did the hard work. It's all of us who did the hard work, and we all succeeded today. I would say that जादू की झप्पी अभी तक सिर्फ मुन्ना भाई में देखी थी, आज फील भी किया बाय द मैम. या सो आई होप कि वो मुझे सुन सकें आज. एंड या एंड the journey in the ICBM was not so easy. It was every day juggling, lots of assignment, tough work, great case studies that we have to undergo. It's a kind of like a pressure, like the pressure, how much pressure that's put on you, it makes you shine more brighter. And therefore, I would like to thank the faculties of the ICBM. Their sheer hard work is what I have achieved this award to. And their innovative teaching methods and evaluations, their every day, giving us so many assignments has made us what we are today. I would actually like to dedicate this award to my parents. I know they have left no stone unturned to give me all the resources. And yeah, I'm really, really obliged and thankful for all their efforts, along with my teachers. My friends too, I know I blabber much, but yeah, their motivation is the reason that I back this award too. They've listened to me carefully, have guided me well as well. And yeah, and special thanks to Zirar sir for giving us this platform to learn, excel, and perform well. Jeetu sir, your photography is like a passion, and you have always taught us that if you follow your passion, then you are unstoppable. And in the end, I would just like to say that this award is like a very dear to me, and I would always held very close to my heart and try to make it as a symbol and can glow and rise in the future. Thank you.
I would now request Suri Shetty Shreya to
afternoon.
speak.
For those of you who know me and who don't, I'm Shreya. As always, I'm very excited because whole in my 2 years, I'm somebody who has always loved to be on stage. Also, you have seen me hosting many different kind of activities. And I'm thankful for my faculty and all my very dear principal for giving me all the opportunities to come onto the platform, share whatever I could do. Maybe on the first day, like when we came for my admission, my mom was apprehensive about many of facts around. And she was also posting many questions to sir. Sir was like, just trust her, give her 2 years and see what she makes it of all. So later, like previously, we were having a discussion in my home and my dad was confused about an investment. So I was like, don't block all the funds. Maybe that would not be the safest option. He's like, now I'm not the only person who's earning. I have my eldest son to support me. So even if something goes wrong, I have you. So why should I worry? So I feel so proud that maybe my parents have given me a good upbringing, but I'm sure ICBM has shaped me into a better individual with which I can support my parents today and also make them feel proud. This journey has been most memorable one, and every moment I have spent here, it's a memory to cherish for my life. Recently, it's been 7 months that I'm working, and I had 540 members who have joined along with me in Deloitte. So I won bronze medal for the new hire training among 540 members, and that made me feel so proud that the learning I have gained was actually put into use. So little moments here and there were very happy. And one thing I most admire about our colleges, be the little thing you have achieved or the greatest thing, we have always celebrated it together in the same auditorium. So it's all nostalgic. Last but not least, this memory would not have, this journey would have not been easier or better without 3 of my dearest friends with whom we did sleepless nights to achieve all our dreams. We have spent hours and hours to crack that code, build a unique skill set, and achieve one thing for us. So today, I can't thank enough of whatever ICBM has given me. I'm glad that for all the endless things you have given me, be it Rangareddy sir's assignments. Today when, like I'm a tax professional and there's something which comes up suddenly and you have to take it up. Even the sir's assignment was not pre-planned, so all of us were curious, like on which day would it come. And like when we had restrictions about our attendance, grooming and maintenance, we used to think back in the college days that, oh, so many restrictions. But today I say, working in an MNC, you have to follow many rules and regulations. And I'm proud that I'm never under the non-compliant list. That is all because of what college has taught me, the discipline. So I'm very, very grateful and thank you for making this 2 years very memorable. Would always love to come back. Thank you so much.
Now I request Gagan Narang sir and Jitu sir, please give the awards to the next three toppers. Next topper, the most versatile, the most the most sincere student, A. Pranati. I request students, according to their numbers, 1 to 10, please be ready. The right side of the dais. A. Tejaswi, P. Pratibha, Rajat Thakur,
A. Tejasvi, working in global data. Pratibha Uniyal, working in Amazon as HR analyst. Rajat Jay Thakur. SV Sai Karthik, Fab Hotels, is working in Fab Hotels. Audience, please. G. Kalyan. D. Naresh Sagar. Prem Dulal. T. Maheshwar Reddy. KV Raju. T. Shiva Naga. T. Ashwini. Afreen. Pranav Rai. Mahesh Kumar. Preksha Mishra. Nihal Kumar. B. Nihal Kumar. M. Sivaramakrishna. M. Pranay Kumar. Pranay Reddy. Ajay Bhuram. P. Nagaraj. P. Kaushik Yadav. G. Karishma. J. Nandini. Akula Vivek. Students, please be near the stage. You all know your roll numbers. Ravimani Kumar. Pavan Kumar. Rutika. Rutika Maharana. P. Venkatavarshini Reddy. G. Shyam Sundar. Vaishnav. B. Shruti Gupta. Akula Revan. Akula Revan. K. Akhil. M. Shivani. Divya Rao. K. Puzit. K. Venkat Satish. Rumana Jasmine. A. Bala Sravini. Naval Kishore Sahu. V. Bharat Kumar, K. Sanjay Babu, K. Pratap, Aparna, Manikanteshwara Reddy, Surya Prakash Reddy, M. Worship, N. Akhila, P. Devsri Pavitra, J. Kalpana, T. Monica, Mahesh Reddy, K. Nadeem, A. Shivashankar Gaur, J. Mahesh Kumar, Gautam Reddy, E. Gautam Reddy, P. Vikas, G. Vijay Kumar, Kushal Chand, Pavan Kumar, A. Venkatanaga Aditya, P. Sai Krupa, G. Maniti, G. Manideepak, Sardar Joginder Singh, P. Rajesh, A. Mahesh Kumar, Sakshi Suthalia, R. Srinivas Nayak, Vikesh Ganathe, Yatishetty Raviteja, S. Akash, Bhatti Manish Gaur, D. Manasa, Sai Vanitha Rani, A. Manisha, T. Koteshwar Rao, Monica Sharma, Parimal Jain, Vitisha Nethi, G. Bala Prasad, Nagamaram Pravalika, Kota Vaishnavi, K. Lakshmi Supriya, Unnati Ane, Mururi Malati, NELN Akhil Kumar, Aman Singh,
Jaychandra Reddy, Prajit, Sumit Kumar, B. Srinivas, Sashirat Gaur, R. Sujana, Madhavi Govindu, B. Lakshmi Devi, Abhishek, Shan Kumar, R. A. Deepak, Mohammad Barkar Ali, P. Dinesh Gaur, Hasini, Srikara Sri Navya, K. Ajit Kumar.
P. Ravi Kumar, H. Surya Sandilya, K. Guru Raja, Bangaru Krishna Dinesh, Sanivelli Abhilash Reddy, Seema, Usma Firdaus, P. Manasi, P. Radhalika, K. Ajay, C. Saishma, Anushka Deshmukh, Deepmala Gupta, Sanjay Nirmalkar, M. Suman, M. Arun Kumar, Kulkarni Shravani, S. Sushmita Yadav, H. Anand, Krishna Agarwal, K. Hasini, Harshini, Pooja Singh, A. Supriya, Shweta Chaudhary, Akhila Basa, B. Srikanth, Abhinandan, Vatla Sanjana, Akshita Rai, A. Alekhya Gaur, D. Harshavardhan Sagar, Adarsh Bohra, YNS Rohini, Sri Parna Chaudhary, M. Pravalika, Madanapalli Ashish, Gonugunta Anil Kumar, Ishan Shukla, Sushmita Upadhyay, Ankushkar Rahul, Ravi Narayan, R. Rishi Teja Reddy.
Respected Mr. Gagan Narang sir, shooting star, winner of Olympic bronze, Asian gold medal. Respected Srikant Surampuri sir, the HR brand ambassador of the star of ICBM alumni. I once again thank you all for gracing this historic occasion. I wish the very best to each and every student graduating today. I pray to God to give them success, health and prosperity. All the graduates now stand up, hold your right hand in front, and in the name of God, take this oath. I hereby solemnly declare and promise that if admitted to the degree for which I have been recommended, I shall in my daily life and conversation conduct myself as befits a member of this institute. That I shall, to the utmost of my capacity and opportunities, support the cause of my morality and sound learning, and that as far as in me lies, I shall uphold and advance the social order and the well-being of my fellow co-citizens. I shall faithfully and carefully fulfill the duties of my profession to which I may be admitted by virtue of my degree. That I shall on all occasions maintain its purity and reputation. I shall never deviate from this path of honorable exercises. Thank you all the best.
A
would like to request Jara sir and Jitu sir to please facilitate our Gagan Narang sir with memento and shawl.
So I just told them they have been hearing me for the last 2 years, and the students would be saying, "Sir, ab to mat baat karo yaar." But thank you so very much, and it's not a cliche. It's not just to make you happy, and so like I've made your life hell, right? And with an assurance that in the future I would be there to help, right? I'll be always there for you. But I'm sure so like all the troubles and all the hard work that you did, whether it is Rangareddy sir or any other faculty, the assignments, the sleepless nights and all, has put you in a good place. And I'm sure so like this is just the beginning of an illustrious career. And I'm sure so like you will keep rising and keep shining. And I wish that sky is the limit for your growth. And I wish you great success in life and beyond, right? No, I think for guys, your happiness, I cannot pray for your happiness because one day you will get married. So, but for everyone, so like happiness in professional life, I wish it's a never-ending journey. And for somebody so like who think that I made their life hell, I think there is a boy who's at the end of the dais. मुझे शायद याद नहीं आता है कि मैंने किसी को उतना डांटा होगा, आज तक डांटता हूँ, राइट? एंड ही स्टिल गेट्स स्कोल्डिंग फ्रॉम मी कि यार क्या तेरा प्रमोशन 2 साल के बाद हुआ, क्या परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहा है क्या? एंड I take a lot of pride, and honestly speaking, I'm using the word pride. I've got goosebumps. I take pride in him being one of my successful students, because his journey, in simple terms, if I would talk about his journey, he started at Blue Star with about 6,500 rupees in 2003. 6,500 rupees. That day he came back and told me, "Sir, मेरे dad मेरे को गाली दे रहे हैं." And he comes from a Gujarati family, and business is the motive. Gujaratis are always known for business. And this guy has a shop in Patargati, and daddy गाली दे रहे हैं कि हमारे पास जो दुकान में काम करता है हम उसको 10,000 रुपए देते हैं, तुझे शर्म नहीं आएगी MBA करके 6,500 की नौकरी करेगा? And I told him, your father might be a millionaire or a billionaire. It doesn't matter. What matters is what the market will teach you in 1 year, your dad cannot teach you in 10 years. That's what I told him. And he that day told me कि आप बोल रहे हो इसलिए 1 साल करूंगा, उसके बाद नहीं करूंगा. मतलब 1 साल कर ले, ठीक है. And that day and today, he has not quit the job. Only thing what he did was 2003 he joined Blue Star, 2004 he moved to Career, and 17 long years he's been working with Career Air Conditioner, and he has taken 8 promotions in one company. 8 promotions in one company. His journey is from 6,500 rupees to 65 lakh rupees annual package today. The next designation, the only designation that that the company can give him is from assistant director to director. That's it, and that would be the pinnacle of success. So, but again, remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Keep working hard, and again, this is where I'm using the word. Stick to one company. Don't hop jobs just for few thousand rupees more. शुरू में अच्छा लगता है कि यार 5,000 रुपए extra might mean world to you, but don't jump jobs. Make sure that your resume does not have 2020 से लेके 2022 तक एक company, 2022 से लेके 2023 तक एक और company, and the minute the company sees that you have been hopping and shifting jobs, your credibility comes down. So Please, 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 please don't do that. Stick to your company, and always remember, there is a very famous Vietnamese proverb that I'm reminded of. When you're eating fruit, remember the person who planted the tree. And if possible, I'm not saying mandatory, but if possible, thank the person. As I'm reminded of JFK, John F. Kennedy, he once popularly said that it is important for us to slow down in life and thank someone who has helped us in being where we are today. So it's very, very important. Very importantly, develop the attitude of gratitude. कई लोगों को लगता है यार हो गया अभी क्या अपने को काम है and all. Don't do that. Develop the attitude of gratitude. Be thankful to the people who have helped you. And one very important thing, you cannot, I'm using the word underline it, you cannot repay back your parents enough. And as Tezdeep ma'am said, always be, I think you cannot pay back. So there is no way that I should be telling you do this, do that for them. But do whatever you can, and you still be falling short. But so like keep doing it for them. As if there is anybody in the world who deserves the best of you, it's your parents. And they'll always keep praying and wishing you luck. And I'm sure so like we have done our bit, and we have delivered on our promises. And I'm sure we'll keep continuing being a part of you, being a part of ICBM. Your journey doesn't end here now. 10 years from now, 20 years from now, तुम्हारा रेफरेंस चेक मैं ही करूंगा अगर मैं जिंदा हूं तो, नहीं तो आईसीबीएम करेगा 20 years के बाद भी. इवन उसका भी मैंने किया, असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर का जब आया था उसका रेफरेंस चेक वापस हुआ था सेम कंपनी में, एंड आई डिड इट. सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज you will be needing us, we will be needing you. If I'll be a fool if I think that's like I wouldn't be needing you. Today also the best placements happen just because like I've got my wonderful students in some of the best companies. कोई भी product पे discount चाहिए मेरा student होता है उधर, right? So that's the best part of being in teaching. Salaries are not very high, but so like your students are there for you, and you can count on them in the middle of the night. Be that student on whom the teacher can count on in the middle of the night. And so like I would always suggest develop this attitude of kindness. Simple part, attitude of kindness. Kindness is a language. Mother Teresa once said, kindness is a language that a deaf can hear and a blind can see. Develop this attitude of kindness. Help someone. Let it be your friend, let it be your family, let it be even a stray animal. Do whatever you can. That's, I think, Gagan Bhai really said that. Ask yourself, what's your contribution to the society? In what way have you helped the society? हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं, इनकम टैक्स पे कर रहे हैं, वो तो मजबूरी है यार, right? What are you doing because of your free will? Your free will is so very important, and I want you to do things for your free will, not because it's been forced upon. Given a chance, we wouldn't pay income tax, even including me. Sarana ma'am to like is not paying, right? But just joking, but. And I think like we are all blessed. We are all blessed. I would be not doing justice to word of thanks if I don't thank my faculty to start with, right? We are blessed to have a wonderful bunch of faculties who take the students as their own students, who leave no stone unturned, right? Leave no stone unturned and work hard relentlessly. Every faculty comes prepared for the class. People and faculty don't play around with students, and I'm really proud that I have got some wonderful faculties. And today, whatever we are, whatever greatness that we have achieved, and still we have miles to go and more to achieve, but still it's because of our faculties. And lastly, important thing for you, if you have to choose between being a man of wisdom and a man of knowledge, always choose to be a man of wisdom, right? The difference between the two is a man with knowledge knows what to speak, but a man of wisdom knows when to speak. Just 2 days back, in fact, Tezdeep ma'am gave some examples of things that she underwent, and because of which the person, in the heat of the moment, he did something and they faced a problem. Just a few days back, I had seen one of the batch, I'll not name the batch, I'll not name the student, but one of the student abused another student from the same batch, and they are completed 10 years ago. Simple part, जब हजम नहीं होती तो पीने का नहीं, right? In the heat of the moment, that guy abused. He works for one of the most reputed companies. The other student did not use any foul language, but just ensured that the things were recorded. It was sent to the company, and that guy within a day became history with that company. So what I'm saying is, don't do that. So like grow up, right? Show some maturity. And I'm not saying now, but I would say always. One suggestion that I would always give is stay away from the office politics. It will do no good for you. Simple mantras. Mind your own business. You will be a much more happier person if you mind your own business every time, right? Just mind your business, right? Avoid arguments, right? Discussions are welcome. Why? Because there's a difference between discussion and argument. Discussion is about what is right, and argument is about who is right. So discussions are welcome, arguments are not. So avoid arguments at all costs, right? Stay away from office politics. Do not flatter people. Do not try to flatter people. Do your best. Don't cut corners. Do your best. Be ethical in your approach. Many times, me and Max sir, we go to jungle together. He always says, when you try to cut corners, when you try to look for shortcuts in jungles and try to be unethical, God will have a way to find out that's like you missed something big. And many times we experienced it. So it's good in wildlife also, it's good in real life also. And I'm blessed to have something of my passion. Wildlife is my passion. Choose something that you're passionate about. Excel in that. Do not do a job for which you have Monday morning blues. Leave that job, चाहे कितना भी पैसा मिल रहा हो. If Monday morning ऑफिस जाने के लिए अगर आपको दिल नहीं बोल रहा है, तो I think you're working in a wrong company, wrong job, wrong profile, right? So do the job that you love, and you'll always excel in whatever you do. All right, guys? So, and again, thanks to my friends, all the people who are there, including Amit there, is my good friend, right? So and I'm privileged that like most of my good friends are my ex-students, right? When I go to Dubai, I see the real Dubai, which probably nobody else would see, and again, it's thanks to my students. I can spend 1 month in Dubai only courtesy my students. One day, every student if I meet, I can spend a year also. Right? So again, so like, I wish that's like our relationship only flourishes, grows, right? And blooms further. All right? And finally, I'll end with a small prayer for you, that I wish you to be a person of wisdom, and I wish that you are well always. Right? Thank you so much, guys, and privileged to be your teacher, and we'll continue to have a healthy relationship forever. Thank you, guys. Love you all. Love you all. And no wonder ICPM rocks. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Jitendra sir. I would now request all of you to join for national anthem.
भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Oh, we missed one thing, right? On a count of 3, we'll have the ceremonious throwing of hats, right? So, uske bagar picture abhi baki hai mere dost, right? All right, guys, be ready so that we can have some pictures. Tanya, if you can come here, it would be better. You get a better picture. All right, guys. Now the count of 3, 2, 1, go!